Summer is the perfect time to introduce your baby to the joys of water play, and nothing does it better than baby pools for age 6 months plus. These splash pools are designed for safe, engaging, and refreshing playtime, right in your backyard or balcony. But with so many options available, choosing the right one requires a focus on safety, material, comfort, and portability. Key features to consider before buying baby pools for age 6 months plus. Material safety. Look for BPA-free, 7P phthalate-free PVC to ensure skin safety. Size and shape. Ensure the pool fits in your space, bathroom, terrace, garden, and is appropriate for your child's age. Ease of inflation and assembly. Time-saving inflation with secure valves matters for parents. Soft base for comfort. Pools with cushioned floors reduce impact and ensure long play. Durability. Tough PVC construction to avoid punctures or leaks. Portability. Lightweight, compact designs are great for travel and storage. Anti-slip features. Helps prevent accidental slips and promotes safer play. Drain valve. Makes it easier to clean and store. Thank you for watching this video and hope you found it useful. Subscribe to us for more parenting tips and discovering best products to buy for your child.